Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to crop video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let's go to Effects and search for Crop, and let's drag this crop effect to your video clip that you want to crop, and go to Effect Controls while selecting the video clip on the timeline. Scroll down and you can see the crop effect section right here. You can then adjust the left, the top, the right, and the bottom on however you want to crop it. You can then reposition your video, and you can also increase the scale to fit in the whole video frame size. Now, if you want to crop a video into a common video format, another way to do it is to select your video clip on the timeline, click on the sequence tab at the top, and click on Auto Reframe Sequence. You can then select a target aspect ratio. For example, you want to crop your video into a square video format or 1:1 ratio. You can select that and hit Create. We also have vertical video formats right here and horizontal as well. Click on Create once you have chosen it, and that will crop our video without the black frames at the side. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.